Am I dead? No, not dead. The head is hurting too much for that. I feel like I've had a big night with a bad bottle of tequila. Did I do a freaking teleport? Am I dreaming? Oh, I need a drink of water. Yeah, I was definitely dreaming about that teleport thing. Been watching too many space movies. Huh, looks like it's raining again. While Speecho works out what he's going to do with all this rain around, jump on and like this video for me, and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all our latest videos. Rightio, so we've had the yard dry out enough now so I can bring that cruiser down with all that gear in it and back it down into the workshop here without getting it bogged. So I've given this area a bit of a clean up. I know there's still a fair bit going on, but really small shop, and so I have got a fair bit going on in here, so it's pretty cramped. But anyway, I've given this a bit of a clean up. We're going to bring the bench down and we'll mount the bench in here. Eventually it's going to go up against the window, and then we'll unload that gear out of the back of the cruiser. I've got a cherry picker I'm going to use, or an engine crane. Pick it up, bring it out and set it up. And Bob's your uncle. I'm going to have the lathe and milling machine down in Speecho Skunkworx. Can't wait. Rightio, so we've got that set up now. I'll back the car in and we'll start lifting the pieces out. Good thing about this is that it is very solid, but man, it is hard to move, it's hard to set up, and it's not very compact. go, now the big one. Now the first thing we can see now that I've got the lathe up onto this new bench top here is an issue with the bolt. No, not that type of bolt. And not that type of bolt either, the fasteners. The ones that hold the machine onto the bench here through the top. It looks like when we replaced this top with the new piece of ply, it obviously doesn't compress as much as the particle board that I had before, and now my bolts are too short. I haven't got enough room to get the washer on, and there's no thread poking through, so I need to get about a 1/2 inch longer bolt to go through on all of the bolts are all the same. So let's wheel off down to the bolt shop and we'll get some longer bolts. We'll come back and we'll replace them. And these are the bolts from that said trip. 12 by 70mm. They're 20mm longer than the old ones. And I've even got some extra washers to go underneath to give it some more support. I won't go through the video of me installing the bolts, but I managed to get them in and they're working great. So until the next video, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.